Hello and welcome to ET Garage. I'm Eugene Tordo. Right now I'm in my shop in my basement. Before I get into today's project, I want to thank everyone who's subscribed so far. And if you'd like to help the channel grow and get monetized, go down here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave comments, all that good stuff. But anyway, I don't know if you see my last video, I just rattle on about LS swaps. And at the end of the video, I go on a couple of projects I want to finish up in the shop. And one of them is this stand right here. This is my stand for my bench grinder. And I built this some time ago. I use scrap metal, whatever I had laying around, so it really didn't cost me any money other than, electricity to run the MIG welder, which I already had, any amount of MIG wire I use. So basically I'm just going to do some quick stuff to it. And I'm just going to grind a couple of spots. I'm going to cut this bolt, and I'm going to weld it here, a couple of them on here, make this into a threaded rod, or maybe I'll find something else here too I might have. But anyway, that's basically going to be there for hanging extra grinding wheels. And I may go ahead and fab up a little box for, hanging this or something. I don't know, I'll come up with something for this. But anyway, let's get going. Okay, there it is. 2 bolts on there. I was going to make, like I said, a little box, metal box to put on there, and I just said to heck with it. I think I'm just going to go ahead. I got the 2 bolts, one for that, one for the dressing stone, or vice versa. These bolts are on a very slight angle, so they shouldn't vibrate off. I'm going to get this up in the garage and bolt it down. I was thinking of painting it. I don't think it's worth wasting the paint on. Just leave it that rusty look. And homemade in the shop look there. And once again, it didn't cost me anything other than, you know, electricity and some flux core wire. So I'll get it up there in the garage and I'll show you how I'm going to bolt this to the floor. Okay, I'm out in the garage and I will be using my DeWalt. If you can see that, DeWalt. 1/2-inch drill. It is corded. It is a hammer drill. And I'll be using Tapcon 3/8 by 4-inch concrete block. Well, they're bolts for concrete. And use a 3/8 inch drill. Red tip drill is what I recommend. And I usually use my impact to drive them in. I use this on my bench vise stand, and those work really great. So I'll go ahead, get drilling that, and get the bench grinder back on there, and I'll be set. Well, that turned out to be a complete failure. I did get the bench grinder back on the stand, and I wasn't able to bolt it to the floor because these bolts weren't long enough. You can see where they just barely grabbed, but they need to go a lot deeper. And so I'll have to go get longer ones. I ain't gonna keep wasting my time on it. Meantime, I'll put this stuff over here. Next time I go to Home Depot, I'll go ahead and pick that stuff up. But that's where I'm going to end it for today. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor. Go down there, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. Everybody have a good day, and God bless.